In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs editable by anyone and share Google Docs with others. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing ideas, or need multiple people to pitch in, this guide will help streamline the process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. This is where all your Google documents reside, so it's essential to become familiar with accessing it either through your browser or a Drive app on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to open the document you intend to share. Ensure this is the correct document that you want to make editable by others. After you have it open, you need to identify and click on the File menu located in the upper left corner. Or alternatively, you can simply use the Share button on the top right corner of your screen. This is a crucial step as it will lead you to the sharing settings. Upon clicking Share, a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll want to select Share with Others. It's now time to add the Google accounts of the people you're allowing access to by entering their email addresses. Make sure to double check these addresses for accuracy to ensure the document reaches the intended recipients. Next, consider the level of access you wish to provide. Click on the drop-down menu next to each email you've added. Here, you can assign roles such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Choosing editor will allow users to make changes directly on the document, making it ideal for collaborative editing. However, be cautious with this level of access as those with editing permissions can modify content significantly. If you later decide to restrict or entirely remove someone's access to the document, you simply retrace your steps back to the sharing settings. Within this screen, select the specific person whose access you'd like to adjust. Click on their current access type, which will be set to editor if you followed along so far, and then choose Remove Access from the options. This revokes their permissions to view the document altogether. Don't forget to save these changes once you're done. This action confirms all adjustments to the document's sharing settings, and with that, you've successfully shared your Google Doc, making it editable to anyone you've granted the correct access. This can be a game changer for group projects, team collaborations, or any situation where joint editing is beneficial. It enhances productivity and ensures everyone is on the same page. Literally. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to harness the full potential of Google Docs sharing features.